Yes Shop.
For everyday life.
Hello, welcome along to Yes Shop. I'm so glad that you could join me today, and also Brett Elliott, who is in the studio to talk about his fantastic detox product. It's called the Ultimate Herbal Detox Program. Now, if you guys at home have been feeling a little bit sluggish lately, maybe your gastrointestinal system isn't working properly, your brain's not functioning clearly, and you're just not feeling 100%, then it might be a fantastic time for you to do a detox. Now, there's lots of reasons why you can build up toxins in your body. It might be that you're eating poorly, lots of processed foods, maybe artificial colours and flavours, but it can also be other things in our environment. So maybe you're using cleaning products that have a lot of chemicals, or you're just very stressed out, which can alter your body's chemistry. All of those things can make us more toxic. And then what happens is our bacteria in our gut becomes out of balance. We start feeling quite bloated. We can get symptoms of fatigue, and the things that should be detoxifying, like our liver and our kidney, just can't do their jobs properly. Well, look, now there is a completely natural herbal remedy to do your detox, and it is very simple, it's easy to take, and it only takes 10 days out of your life. So I'm sure you can all manage that. Now, the fact that these have already sold 75,000 in New Zealand, they're the #1 detox program, we can assure you it is the best that there is on offer. Now, we've got an incredible bundle for you today. $165 is all it's going to cost. Now, when you compare that to how much you spend on looking after your car, it's really not much to look after your body. And this is better than anywhere you can buy this product. So for $165, not only will you get your 10-day herbal detox capsules, but you'll also get thrown in for free 32 of the protein detox smoothies to help maintain. Now, I'd like to introduce you to Brett Elliott. Thank you so much for coming into the studio to talk about your product today.
Thanks for having us.
No problem. Now, you have been a medical herbalist for 19 years now.
Yes, absolutely.
What is a medical herbalist?
A medical herbalist is a herbalist that obviously is trained in herbal medicine, but also that practices in a clinic situation.
Okay, so you've had a huge amount of experience, and you've designed this program a long time ago. You've had 75,000 people now do the program, and obviously having great success that they're coming back to do it again and again. Now, tell me some of the feedback that you're getting.
Well, most people come back saying they feel lighter, more energised, happier in themselves, and generally have more clarity as well.
Right.
But also it helps people manage their weight.
Okay, really good point there too, isn't it? It can be a great way to kickstart any sort of weight management program. Now, why would the viewers at home watching this, why would they want to do a detox, or why would it be that they've got toxins in their body building up?
Well, generally it's to do with our food industry and our processed chemicals that are in our environment as well. But particularly in the foods that they're processed down, they're difficult to digest, the body struggles, and the chemicals in those foods start to accumulate and overload the system.
Right. So it may be that you're eating a lot of processed foods now. You haven't yet gone on to the whole food phenomenon, which is coming back. I'm glad to hear that, because it's so much better for the body. But it's not only the food that you're eating. So maybe you are on a really healthy diet, you do only eat organic foods, and you're only eating whole foods. You can still have toxins building up from other things, can't you?
That's right, yeah, the chemicals in our environment, the air we breathe even, the water we drink sometimes. But when you think about it, your body is just like a vehicle that you use to travel in, and like a car, it needs to be serviced. And, you know, if you don't service your vehicle, it might run for a few years quite smoothly, but then one day
Bang,
something will go
something
wrong.
goes wrong, costs you an absolute fortune, which is very similar to our body as well. So yes, I mean, I spend $500 servicing my car. $165 is a pretty small outlay to spend on your body to do something that's really good for it. So the sorts of people at home that you would recommend to do a detox, what sort of symptoms might they be having?
One of the really key symptoms is that when you wake up in the morning, you might feel sluggish or heavy or tired, or just feel that weight that you don't feel like getting up in the morning. That's a sure sign that you need a detox.
Okay.
Because your body naturally detoxes at night, and that process should be complete in the morning.
Right, so we should be waking up with a spring in our step, should we?
That's right, yeah.
And I bet most of you at home are not at the moment. Another thing that a lot of people complain of, especially when they're getting in times of stress and probably need to do a detox, is gastrointestinal symptoms. So do you
Yes.
get that a lot with your customers?
General digestive imbalances, anything that's indicating there's something the body is struggling with, is a sure sign that you do need to do a cleanse.
So sorry to talk about this, but things like belching, bloating, not going to the toilet frequently are all signs that your gastrointestinal system is not working properly. And that is one of our big detoxifiers. If things aren't moving through your body within about 24 hours or less, then the toxins are sitting around in your body for too long, aren't they?
That's right. I mean, the old saying, you are what you eat, but you also are what you absorb from your gut. And if your gut is not clean, then you're reabsorbing those toxins.
That's a really good point. So this is one of the reasons why the Ultimate Herbal Detox is such a fantastic formula, is that not only are you taking herbs to make your bowel functioning better, but they're also supplying nutrition to your kidney, to your liver, all of those detoxifying organs that need to work really well in your body. So let's just have a look at the bundle you're going to get today, and then we'll talk about how you can use it and how simple it is to do. Now, you're going to get 4 of these boxes, which all have a very unique function. There's 400 capsules in total to last you over 10 days of your detox. $165, but you also get 32 of the detox smoothies for free to help you maintain it. We've got free delivery as well on there, and lots of recipes and ideas on food to eat during your detox. So let's take you through this Ultimate Herbal Detox program and how simple it is to do. It only takes 10 days, very, very easy. Now, it starts with the basis of these capsules, which all have very unique functions, which we'll go through. But basically, you've got 4 boxes. You need to take 5 capsules from each of these individual boxes in the morning, and you need to take 5 from each at night. So that's 20 capsules in the morning and 20 capsules at night, which is quite a difference from some of the other detox programs I've seen. Obviously, Brett, you're getting a lot more there in terms of nutrition for your body.
That's right. There's 23 herbs in here altogether, and each of those herbs is at a therapeutic level, so it's quite a high dose program.
Fantastic. Should we have a look at what those herbs are and how they work? So the first supplement that you'll be taking is called Colon Aid. Now, tell me a little bit about that one, Brett.
The Colon Aid has gentle stimulants in it, which help support the bowel movements, and it's also got herbs in there which balance the bacteria in the gut. So you get a healthy balance going on.
Great. Now, this is a product, I'll let you know, that I've taken at home, and I really enjoyed it. I felt it had a huge effect in terms of how I felt, my general well-being, definitely my gut functioning, and I do have quite a sensitive gut. Now, this is one of the things that you guys will love at home, is that not only will it help things to move through a little bit easier, but it does it in a really, really gentle way, and that's why you've got some of these things like slippery elm, which I'm sure a lot of you viewers at home have heard of if you've ever had gut complaints. So it helps to soothe while it's helping to clear everything out.
Absolutely does. It's also got cloves in there which help to control the bacteria, but also have a pain relieving effect.
Great. So it's not going to leave you feeling uncomfortable like some of the programs can do, which is really great to hear. Now, the next supplement that you'll be taking 5 of them in the morning and 5 at night is the DiGZ. Now, what's that going to do?
Well, that supports digestion, helps the process of digestion. It's got enzymes in it which help break down proteins, and it's also got soothing herbs in it, fennel, ginger, peppermint, so it makes your whole detox process more comfortable.
Because what we're trying to do here, if you've got toxins building up in your body, you haven't been eating properly, you can actually get a residue building up on your gut. So this is going to help to break that down, is that right?
Yeah, absolutely.
And it's all natural. It's enzymes that you would have heard of, or fruit that you would have heard of, things like kiwi fruit, papaya, pineapple. We've all heard of those in terms of how well they help you break down your food. So again, it's going to reduce the amount of gastrointestinal symptoms that you're getting while you're doing the detox. Just so it's a really comfortable process for you, and you can carry on living your life while you're doing it. Great. Well, the next supplement you'll be taking is called the Gentilax. Now that we can imagine what that does, but tell us about the herbs and things in there.
Yeah. Basically, that's a bulking fibre, so it's largely psyllium husk powder, but some slippery elm in there as well, so it bulks and softens everything as it goes through. So
the great thing with Gentilax is just that. It's really, really gentle on your gut. Bulking agents just absorb water and they basically bulk up, the volume that's going through. So it cleans everything out on the way without making you feel really uncomfortable. So I think that's a great product in there as well. And then the last one you'll be taking is called Liver Food. Now this is all about looking after one of the organs that really does help to detoxify our body and feeding it.
That's right. That's got very high levels of milk thistle. Also some dandelion and golden seal, so it supports the liver function.
Fantastic. Now, the thing that you are going to love about this, if you've ever done a detox before, you may have chosen one of several options. Now, one of the very common ones is to fast and to take a couple of tiny supplements with that. And the main issue that I've had with that, and people I know have had, is that you can start to feel really fatigued.
That's right, yeah. That feeling of detoxifying can make people feel quite sick. And so with this, you've got the support of the herbs and the diet, which is very nutritional.
So with this, you will actually get some food information as well. So you can eat fruit and vegetables. There are some fats in there that you can have, as well as things like natural acidophilus yogurt. So you're not going to feel like you're starving, like you're depleted, that you can't function on a day-to-day basis, because I think we all would love to do a detox program, but we don't want to have to, take time out of our busy schedules to do it. And often people have had to go overseas and spend thousands and thousands of dollars on retreats because there is so little that they're putting into their body to feed it in the process that they really can't do anything else. So believe me, I've done this. You can take these products, follow the nutritional program, and you'll still feel fantastic in terms of your day-to-day living, and it's going to be helping you detoxify and really just giving your body a whole holiday from having to do its normal function, isn't it?
Yes, absolutely. By avoiding the processed food and having the whole natural foods, we get a super high level of nutrition, vitamins and enzymes. So really it is giving your body a holiday.
To leave you feeling fantastic. So great bundle today, fantastic offer that you won't find for this price anywhere else. So you're going to get your ultimate herbal detox program, 400 capsules in total for $165, plus we're going to throw in the smoothie sachets. Now they're worth $119, you'll get 32 of those. We'll also throw in free delivery, and of course you do have a 100% money back guarantee. So of course today you're going to get that fantastic free gift of the Smoothie Detox sachets. Now Brett, tell me a little bit about these sachets, how you can use them as either part of your detox or after that.
What the sachets do is they provide you with superfoods like spirulina and barley grass, but they also have all 23 herbs that are in the detox program in the sachet, along with pea and rice protein, so it's a vegetable source protein as well.
So they're going to be helping with your gut function, helping with your liver function, plus supplying a little bit of protein, which you don't get in the food that you're eating during your detox, because you need to be sticking with fruit and vegetables, and that's for a good reason. But sometimes people do get really hungry. Maybe they're doing exercise, you're a guy, you need some more nutrition than the average Kiwi, then you might want to use these actually during your detox, don't you?
Absolutely, they can make a great breakfast or lunch during the program just to keep you going.
Okay, and all you need to do, we've got some orange juice that we've whipped up beforehand. So you've got your protein sachets, really great to chuck in your bag as well. You know, when I was doing this program, I'd throw a few in my bag to take out during the day because I actually did it in conjunction with the tablets because I wanted the absolute full effect. And really, really easy to whip up. Now you can whip them up with water, you can whip them up with juice. I'll just give that a good shake. And even though they look kind of funny, believe me, it tastes beautiful. So if you've ever had spirulina before, mixing it up with orange juice is pretty much the exact sort of thing you're going to get. Do you want to have a taste of that one? Because I know what that tastes like now. It is beautifully sweet. If you mix it with water, it still has a slight touch of sweetness. Mm-hmm. It's great, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
I mean, you could mix it in with almond milk as well, or if you had raw organic milk is another option that you can mix it with. So those smoothies are really great to throw in your bag, take with you. Use it either during your detox program if you're wanting some more nutrition because you're getting hungry, or I would use them also once a day after you've finished your detox. So it's just going to help keep up with all those positive effects that you're getting from doing the detox program. And what sort of effects are you getting? So what are when people are doing it or after they've finished?
Even during the lead up to the program, there's a couple of days where you change your food. Even in that stage, you can feel a lot more energy and a lot more energised. But once you start taking the herbs, then things really start to change. In the first couple of days you can get a bit of a detox effect, but it's fairly mild, and after a couple of days the bowel starts to move a little bit more, and then you start feeling really great.
Great, yeah. Fantastic. So after a couple of days, definitely it does make a change. And that's what I found as well. The first few days, you know, didn't feel too much different, but after that things did start to move through a whole lot better. But one thing that you may be worried of at home, if you've ever done detoxes before, is that some of them can have very harsh bowel stimulants in there, which can give you rapid diarrhea, which means that you need to be near a toilet all the time. Now, I found this to be incredibly gentle, but really effective at the same time. Is that the sort of average comment that you get from people doing the program?
Yes, it is. It's really a cleanse and build, so we're not just sort of detoxing the body on a rapid level, we're also nourishing and building at the same time. Because
of course there are other ways to clean things out. You may have had an enema done before, but look, they leave you feeling dreadful. It's not a particularly nice process to go through, and it's not feeding your body with nutrients. So going back to that again, with this you're going to have nutrition here as well. Brett's put together a fantastic recipes that you'll get with the program, so you know what you can be eating at the same time to feed your body nutrients and not feel really low in energy while you're doing it.
That's right. The thing is, you feel so amazing when you're doing it that it does change your habits a little bit afterwards, so you can continue to feel that way afterwards.
I think that's a really good point too. So anyone at home, if you guys are wanting to look at your weight management or try and support weight management, then going on this herbal detox program is a great way to kickstart it, because you're going to get lots of ideas in terms of what to eat, and they're all whole foods. They're all raw, they're all preferably organic. And what people find is when they've gone through and they've done 10 days of detoxing, one, they're really motivated because they've got such fantastic results. Two, they've changed their dietary regime so they don't crave things as much. That's right. So they tend to find it a whole lot easier to stick with that new and healthy pattern of eating. Yeah. So this is the Ultimate Herbal Detox. We've got Brett Elliott in the studio who has designed this program. It's so different from any other fasting detox you would have done because you do actually feel great while you're doing it. You get to eat whole, fresh foods while you're doing it as well. And it's a lot more concentrated in terms of nutrients that you get with the program too. So comparing it to things like liver cleansing programs. So I know a lot of you viewers would have done liver cleansing. How would you say this is different from that?
A lot of the products that are out there only recommend taking 1 or 2 a day of capsule or a herb. And a lot of them are made in tablets which contain binding agents. So you're not really getting much nutritional value and much of the therapeutic value of the herbs that you should get.
Right.
Yeah.
And others that I've seen actually have smoothies that have artificial flavourings and artificial preservatives and things in them, which is exactly what we're trying to get away from when we're doing a herbal detox.
Yeah, it always pays to read the label and look if there's any chemical names on the labels, because most of the products actually do have chemicals in them as well.
Right. So just going back to anyone at home, if you are having problems in terms of digestive issues, maybe you're burping a lot, you've got bloating issues, it's a great time to do a detox. If you are wanting to kick off a weight management program, then doing a 10-day detox is a really good way to jumpstart that. Learn to eat really fresh whole foods in the process. And get rid of some of those cravings because you do need to cut out coffee and alcohol and sugar while you're doing this program. Ideally, now you do say that if you've got a real craving for coffee, you can maybe have 1 or 2 in there.
Yes, the last thing you want to do is have cold turkey at the same time you're doing
Because
a
that
detox.
can cause headaches.
That's right, yeah. You want to avoid that.
And you're going to get all this information in your pack. So in your pack, you also get this wonderful book. It's called Detox and Heal Yourself. It will talk you through exactly the benefits from doing a detox. How often do you say to do one, Brett?
Recommended to do it once a year, just like you would service your vehicle.
Right.
But you can do it twice a year. And generally you'll feel with the time that you need to do a detox, your body will let you know.
So all those sorts of symptoms of feeling tired, feeling sluggish, having gastrointestinal issues. Sometimes your brain is not particularly clear. I know one thing I find if my body is not functioning properly and I need to do a detox is that my skin starts to break out. And as soon as I do this, and I found after I'd done my detox program, my gastrointestinal system worked better, my skin started to be clearer.
Absolutely. The skin and the gut are just basically the same organ. They're connected. So it's a sure sign when the skin's irritated.
So this is the Ultimate Herbal Detox Program. It is the #1 selling detox program in New Zealand. 75,000 people have already been through and done it, and I've used it myself. And I have to say, Brett, I've been very dubious of fasting detox programs in the past. But what I loved about this, and what you guys will love at home, is that it's feeding your body nutrition, it's feeding your liver, your kidney, it's getting your gastrointestinal system to work better and soothed, plus you can eat some real food while you're doing it. So many good reasons to go through and do this. And start feeling fantastic again. Look, coming into holiday breaks, often our food intake, we start to go on to more processed foods, or we grab a little bit more alcohol than we should do. So go into that period of time feeling fantastic in yourself and kickstart your healthy eating regime, kickstart that weight management program by doing the Ultimate Herbal Detox. And remember, this is the best value bundle that you will find anywhere for this program. You may have seen the Ultimate Herbal Detox program in some of the pharmacies around the country, but you will not get it for the price that we have here today. So let's just have a look. You're going to get 4 of these bottles, 400 capsules in total. It's going to cost only $165. That is a tiny price to pay for looking after your body and keeping it in tip-top shape. But not only do you get the Ultimate Herbal Detox program, you also get those 32 sachets of protein smoothie absolutely free, and you also get free delivery. Make sure you give us a call. Don't miss out on this fantastic offer to really get yourself feeling great. 0800 55 2233 or jump online to yesshop.co.nz. Thank you for joining us. Thank you so much, Brett, for coming in and talking about your fantastic product. Really great to have it here.
Thanks for having us.